We constantly deal with shades of gray in our lives, so let's add a little color. Hello everyone, this is your SM2 superfan, and today I'd like to show off SM2's dynamic dashboards. Pretty much any modern software will have some kind of dashboard functionality, a way to visually present data that has been deemed relevant for you by them. They typically also give you some means to filter and sort what you see, and this is where SM2 is bounds and leaps ahead of the other guys. Imagine you could pick whatever data you wanted in a software platform, view it in whatever form you want, and have it as a panel in whatever dashboard you put together. Not only that, but wouldn't it be cool to take action on the items you are viewing right from the dashboard itself? Or have one click on the dashboard panel affect what you see in another panel? Well, imagine no more. In SM2, you can have dashboards set up to show any data from any software module presented any way you like. Pie charts, bar charts, lines. So here's a dashboard for different fuel tanks out there. Here's another for various KPIs. So to show how dashboards work, let's have a look at this one depicting consumption of a single fluid over the past 10 years or so. One panel shows total annual quantities, the next panel depicts monthly consumption, and the last one presents a line graph of the consumption over the course of a month. Now watch this. Let's say I'm in charge of fuel and I noticed that 2013 was particularly expensive in terms of fuel. I click on that year, and now the year I selected is highlighted in green, and the monthly panel has changed to show consumption for each month of the year, in this case 2013. If I click on February and hit yes on the third panel, we now see a consumption curve for the selected month and obviously for the selected year. Dynamic dashboards indeed. Let's view another example. Here we have a simple maintenance dashboard. First panel shows work orders sorted by status, and in this case there are only two, new and open, but you can have a bunch of different ones based on your particular operation. The second panel sorts work orders by type, and the last panel is a table listing work orders. When I select the open work orders, the panel, the second one here, splits those work orders into three types. By selecting the unplanned ones, I get a list of all open unplanned work orders. And here comes the cool part. By clicking the gear icon here, I get to edit, close, or print the work order. So I open the work order and I can do whatever I need to do in there. And once I'm done, I'm taken right back where I was in the dashboard. This idea extends to all dashboards in SM2. You can mess around with work orders, vehicle and user profiles, fueling transactions, and much, much more right from SM2's dynamic dashboards. Dashboards should be way more than simple data visualization arbitrarily designed by a developer. With SM2, you can not only make your dashboards exactly what they need to be, but also do everything you need to do without ever leaving the eye-pleasing confines of your dashboard panels. Contact us today for more information and pricing, and until next time, keep it efficient.